Welcome to day one of Nutrition Week. Today I have joined along with Dr. Monal Velangi, Senior Dietitian at KJ Somaiya Hospital and Research Center. Today we'll be discussing on the topic nutrition and immunity. Monal madam, I want to know from you, how does nutrition shape our immune system?
So much, Ms. Pirwani, for the introduction and wishing you all a very happy Nutrition Week. Firstly, thank you for the question. The question basically it is our immune cells are built from the nutrients that we eat. High quality proteins, the number one, what we really need to look into because they give you antibodies. Secondly, probiotics because they are very important for your gut health. And thirdly, the antioxidants which you get from your fruits and vegetables because they protect you from the cellular damage which you go through. So these are the things which we really need to look into. But apart also functional foods which are plant-based like moringa, like amla, so on and so forth, which you could.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was very insightful. Ma'am, I also want to know what are the top nutrients and food which the patients can include in the diet to build up a strong immunity.
Very good. So basically, firstly, we have to understand that nutrition is the medicine, is what Hippocrates has said. According to that, what are the things we need to look at? First and foremost are proteins. Proteins, antibodies, your entire body is made up of proteins. So cellular level protein is very important for immune cells. If you look into probiotics, which provide you healthy bacteria, so these are also important for immune system. And if you see the antioxidants again, because they give you all the protection from inflammation and oxidative stress, and that is how these are the three things you need to look into. So, what nutrients in relation to foods, if you say, number one would be that the dairy proteins. Number two would be all your fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, so on and so forth. Number three would be with respect to antioxidants, a colorful platter of fruits and vegetables. Apart from that, one more thing you need to is always control your white sugar intake. So you can choose healthy alternatives like
Very
stevia.
clear, ma'am. Thank you so much for the insight. Ma'am, can you just throw some light on what is the connection between the gut health and immunity?
So the connection when you say between the gut health and immunity both definitely go hand in hand. As nowadays everyone is very concerned about what is the gut health and all. Gut microbiome, if you understand, there are two types of microbiome. It's healthy and unhealthy bacteria which are forming in the gut. And gut is a powerhouse for immunity. That means your 70% of your immune system is lying there. So if you kind of look into what really needs to looked at is, as I mentioned earlier, it is definitely first is proteins, but along with that, over in the gut are probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are all your dairy, fermented dairy products like yogurt, curd, basic Indian curd forms the best line. Along with that, prebiotics are the food which is served to the probiotics to grow. So fiber-rich foods are very important over here, like the certain fruits and vegetables. So these are the things what, and if you have a balanced microbiome, then everything sets into it.
That's so important, yeah. Ma'am, what are the simple steps can people start today?
Perfect. Simple steps is easy takeaway I would give you is always think of three E's: eat smart, exercise right, and kind of be very calm. Nowadays, people are getting so much stress; they are continuously stressing out, and that's the reason we see a lot of people going haywire. So eat right, exercise right, and stress should be low. With respect to eating right, always focus on your protein has to be in every meal. Hydrate yourself very well. Sleep is very important. That means 7 to 8 hours of sleep, which people are missing out on. So these are the three things I think they can really do.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. So it's mind, body, and soul has to be actually taken care of to maintain the healthy immunity. So thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable suggestions and insights.
Thank Thank you. Wishing you all a very happy nutrition week and a very good health throughout your life.